After a year of staying inside and not being able to travel, my partner and I decided to go on a cross-country Amtrak train trip out west and back. From Chicago to Seattle, San Francisco to Moab, we traveled around the country sleeping overnight on the trains and visited 7 states in 3 weeks. It was an unforgettable trip that really quenched our wanderlust. For now. We're here in Minneapolis, Gold Medal Flower, and the bridge. What bridge is that?
Stone Arch Bridge.
The Stone Arch Bridge. Apparently it's like a famous... I don't know anything about Minnesota or Minneapolis, but it does look pretty. It is a pretty...
We'll walk on it later today after work.
Nice. Pat used to live in Minnesota, so how'd you like it here?
Loved it.
How cold did it get?
I don't want any Minnesotans messaging me and being like, oh, how dare you say anything about our state.
Tell us about the winters.
It gets cold. Never been so cold in my life. You know, when your skin can be cold, your nose can be cold, those are one thing, but when your soul becomes cold, that's entirely different.
But they do have heated sidewalks for the bike lanes, apparently, so that helps. I mean, it's nice in the summer. It's not like super hot right now. We don't know if that's because it's like foggy from smoke coming over from Oregon or if it's just the temperature here, but apparently it starts getting cold again in like what, August? September?
August, September, yeah.
Ugh.
Very short summer.
Not a fan. I don't think I could live here just because it's cold.
Like it's 10 months of winter, 2 months of summer.
Oh. If it wasn't so cold, I'd consider living here. It's nice. Anyways, back to work. It's Friday, we're working today, and then it's the weekend. More food. This place has bowling in the back. It's pretty cool.
Off the whitefish. Taking a break in North Dakota. What do you think of the ride so far? How was last night? Our first night sleeping on the train. I slept like a baby. Someone else was tossing and turning all night.
My neck hurts so badly. It's been hurting the past couple days, but the train ride did not help. But once Pat left to go on the observation deck, I laid down to have both seats, and that was great.
tends to sleep better when I'm not around.
Yeah.
Just can't wait to get rid of me.
But overall, it wasn't bad. I'm impressed. They make it dark. They have little blue lights to line
And
the
the
floor.
seats go like back, and then like the front of the seat flips up, so it's more like almost like a bed. I wouldn't quite call it a bed, but it's.
You can recline a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot of space between your seat and the seat in front of you, so you can go all the way, not all the way back, but you can like recline that much, and then have your under your legs something comes up. So it's nice.
Yeah. Do it again.
And we're on our way to Montana. This is the setup.